Neil Murray on the inside. Jesse on the outside. Green flag in the air, 2 by 2. Jesse Murray with a great run off the corner. He'll take him into turn number 1 with the race lead. Jesse Murray in the 18 machine with the race lead off of turn number 3 and 4. Oh, Cyrus out of the building, the 16 machine. He'll go over the top of the berm and the caution will fly. And oh, the 81 machine up in smoke in turn number 1 and 2. He'll get down to the bottom of the speedway, but smoke heavily trailing that machine for Neil Murray, our driver that was slated to start right there on the front row, was the pole winner in qualifying earlier on, and he'll come to a stop as the smoke has settled. And with the 81 out of the event, it's going to shuffle the lineup with Keith Herring now on the inside. Jesse Murray on the outside of row number 1, 2 by 2. Rack them and stack them. Roll them to the green flag for our street stocks. Green flag in the air. Keith Herring down into turn number 1 and 2. On the inside, but here comes the power move with the 18 machine on the outside. Murray back to the top spot. Jesse Murray to the race lead. Herring now going to fall back to second, followed by the 18 machine of Matt Marshall. Neil Murray still with the race lead. Keith Herring in the 50. In second, both of those drivers have pulled away. Oh, we got contact and went around on the back straightaway. The 45 of Nelson making contact with another car, pinching him up against the wall. Caution flag is out for the 16 of Cyrus as he is around. All the drivers who are locked into the A-Main, we need you with your helmets in hand for East Tennessee Dirt Races for recovery. We need you for charity, guys. Jesse Murray in that 18 machine. Keith Herring riding there in second. Ben Hamilton. Riding in the third position, the 18 machine of Matt Marshall in fourth. Caution flag is out for the 16. Top of that, the Dodgers did win last night, Game 1 of the World Series. Freddie Freeman, the former Atlanta Brave, with a walk-off home run. Jesse Murray in the 18 machine. Keith Herring continuing to stay right there in his tire tracks. A 22 of Ben Hamilton out of Fairfield, Virginia, riding in third. Great battle here for fourth and 97 of Earl Brooks Jr. On that inside, the 18 hanging tough on the outside of Matt Marshall. Here comes the 45 now in the mix. 3 cars under a blanket down into turn 3. But we've got a battle heating up for the race lead because the 50 machine of Herring is there. Keith Herring looking to the inside. They'll go side by side. Oh, the 18 around. The race leader loops it. Everybody able to go high and avoid him. Herring was looking to pass. Single file restart into the Pro Built restart zone there. Green flag. Keith Herring going to bring him to the flag stand. and take them down into turn number 1. Herring still with the race lead over the 22 machine of Ben Hamilton. Hamilton in second. Earl Brooks Jr. riding in third. Here comes the 45 machine trying to close in of Keith Nelson. Nelson going to the bottom. He'll look to the bottom side again. The 97 going to slam the door as they continue to battle for third down into 1 and 2. The 18s doing battle down the back straightaway for the 5th position. Matt Marshall holding it down in 5th over the 18 of Jesse Murray, who is trying to storm his way back through the field. Out front, it is still Keith Herring, but the gap is starting to close. The 22 machine of Ben Hamilton is there. Hamilton in the 22. The 50 of Keith Herring. Herring in the 50 through turn number 3 and 4. Ben Hamilton in the 22 machine riding there in that 2nd position. Earl Brooks in the 97 there in 3rd, followed by the 45 of Keith Nelson. Jesse Murray now back to 5th and closing in on the 45 for 4th. 12 in the books, 20 the distance. Ben Hamilton now going to go to the top shelf to try to see if he can gain some ground on the 50 of Keith Herring, and he does down the back straightaway. He may have found, oh, we got him around, and we've got fluid all over the racetrack back there as we've got a car in turn number 3 and 4 that is setting at the top of the berm. I believe that is Elizabeth Roberts in the 26, and you can see it over in turn 3 and 4 of how bad the damage actually is. Green flag in the air. Keith Herring in the 50. The 22 of Ben Hamilton. Hamilton now in 2nd. Earl Brooks, Jesse Murray, Scott Nelson still side by side as they battle for the 4th position down the front straightaway. 13 in the books coming to 14, clicking them off now. Keith Herring giving him about 2 car lengths on the back straightaway. Herring with the advantage in the 50. Got the station wagon vibes as he comes off the corner. Ben Hamilton able to close just a tad bit. The 97 still in 3rd, but he's feeling the pressure. Here comes the 18, Jesse Murray looking to the inside. He'll take 3rd away from Brooks. Murray now to 3rd. Can he chase down the top 2? Checkered flag in the air. Time limit in the books there for street stocks. So going 15 laps on the distance there. Keith Herring getting the win. Each one of these main events with time limits here tonight.